Alright, so this is the overview. It's just my girls' clothes and things that they'll need. I haven't even done mine yet. But, alright, let me show you what we have. So, I've laid out all, so this is the baby stuff. I've laid out all her outfits. There's 12, some summer warm clothes, some long sleeves. And then I did diapers as well. I did 5 diapers per day that were gone. We're gone 10 days total, and that's why I packed 12 outfits, just in case one day is warmer or colder than I thought, or, you know, babies are messy, so they get something dirty. And then I packed 1 pair of pajamas and a couple onesies in case it's warm. She can just sleep in a onesie. That's what she does at home. A pack of wipies, a bib. This is both girls' formal dresses for the 2 nights. 7-night cruise has 2 formal nights. So this is Evelyn's and Elena's, and then the 2 of theirs actually fit in that one. And I just put them in there just that way they wouldn't get messed up or dirty. And then I'm bringing 4 pairs of shoes. I know that's probably too much, but I mean, they're only babies once, and they're just so cute. These are some just jelly sandals that she could wear with her bathing suit, or just around the ship, easy on and off. Converse for when she wants to, like, walk. She's starting to really like to walk everywhere, and those stay on the best, and they fit her the best, so I'm going to bring those. These are for the formal nights, the 2 formal nights, and then these are just, again, for like walking around. They slip on and off really easy. And then I have 2 bathing suits for each girl, so 4 total. Nobody wants to put cold, wet bathing suits on from the day before, so I figure while one's drying, they get the other one on. And then I have some swim diapers for the baby. Now, I've heard that babies can't go in the pool if they're not potty trained, but I'm hoping since this is a brand new ship, they've paid the extra money to install the filtration system. I know Disney cruises do, so I'm really hoping that Carnival has upped their, I guess, like their standards and added a filtration system. Or maybe Evelyn can flirt her way into the pool. We'll see. And then over here, I have my older girl's 2 bathing suits. I brought her some sunglasses. And then here's her 12 outfits. Some warm, some colder. Socks and underwear for every day, even though I'm sure she won't be wearing socks every day, but better to be safe than sorry. And then I'm just bringing here 1 pair of pajamas because, like I said, my girls usually either don't sleep in pajamas at all, or, you know, in case it gets cold, 1 pair. So that so far is my overview. I have to still gather Elena's shoes, but I think I'm just going to bring 3 pairs. So she'll have 1 for the formal night, 1 pair of sandals, and then 1 pair of tennis shoes. Possibly just 2, because she doesn't really wear sandals a lot, but we'll see. That's what I have so far. And then I still have to pack their jackets. I packed 2 for Evelyn, 1 raincoat and 1 cardigan, and the cardigan is small enough that it fits under the raincoat, so if it's really cold, she can just bundle up. This will be Elena's suitcase. She's going to carry it herself as a carry-on, and then this will be Evelyn and mine's things in it. And I'll be bringing a stroller as well. So hopefully getting through the airport's going to be a struggle by myself, but hopefully it'll work out good. And then over here I have my toiletries so far. So, let's see, I have all my makeup is in here. I'm doing just the bare minimum. Some hair, like, detangler for me, my straightener, hairbrush, headband, hair ties, bobby pins, dry shampoo, perfume, deodorant, razor, hair ties for the girls, combs. I brought 3 because I swear these things go missing like bobby pins and hair ties do. And then I have my razor, some face wipes, and then these are our liquids, our toiletries. I got these containers at Poundland, and they were so awesome for £1. And they came in the little, like, waterproof bag, too. So I have, this is curl spray for Evelyn, just soap for her bottles, lotion for me, lotion for the babies. I don't have anything in here yet, but I'm sure I'll figure something out. And then I have conditioner, body wash, shampoo, baby body wash, and hair detangler for the girls. And then I brought tweezers, some little travel size boogie wipes and hand wipes, ibuprofen and Benadryl in case the girls get seasick. I heard this is the best for them because they can't take Dramamine. And then speaking of Dramamine, I brought it for myself because I do get seasick. Some Orajel, some nasal spray for the boogies, thermometer, some Tylenol for myself, and then a bottle brush because I am going to bring 2 bottles for Evelyn. And then I just have my toothbrush, toothpaste, and one for each girl, toothbrush and toothpaste. So that's what I have so far. And then I will show you my carry-on stuff and my suitcase, my packing. Yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so I've packed up all the girls' stuff. And now all my stuff's laying out. I'll just go over it really quick. So, let's see. 2 formal dresses, 7-night cruise. You need 2 dresses. And then I have 3 like other summery-time dresses that I can wear as like a beach cover-up or to dinner. I usually like to wear dresses to dinner because, I mean, you never really get that opportunity on a day-to-day basis. So I like to dress up a little bit. And then over here I just have a pair of jeans, a pair of capris, a pair of leggings, and a pair of shorts. This is like a shirt, tank top, and a kimono combo. And then I have this light shirt, an off-the-shoulder shirt, tank top with a cardigan because I don't know how hot or cold it'll be. So I'm just trying to pack it in light layers. I have a long like t-shirt, again another tank top with a yellow cardigan, and then this is like a blue scarf that I could just add to any of them. And then this is my airport outfit. It's a pair of leggings, a black tank top, and a like lavender sweater. I don't think it's really coming out lavender on the camera. And then I'm just going to pack 3 pairs of shoes. I'm going to pack a pair of sandals. I think I'm going to pack a pair of flats for my formal dresses just because they're long. You won't see my shoes and they take up less room. And then I'll wear like probably some Nikes with this outfit on the plane so I don't have to pack it in the suitcase. Okay, so this is going to be Elena's little carry-on backpack. I just have her school backpack, a little, I got this at Primark yesterday, a little headphone splitter. I thought it was super cute. Headphones, iPad, and then I packed 2 snacks of each thing, and she's just going to carry the snacks for her and Evelyn. So I got Evelyn these little biscottis, and I got Elena these little like biscuit strawberry things. 2 sets of yogurt covered raisins, 2 packs of Welch's gummies, and 2 packs of applesauce. And then I have her a coloring book, markers and colored pencils, a little notebook she can color or draw in, and a pack of cards. We probably won't use these on the plane, but we'll definitely use these on the boat. I have, this is some of my like electronic stuff, obviously my wallet, passports, all that, a Kindle. This one will probably be for Evelyn to play with. I have an iPad, Elena's on it right now, so I don't have it to show you. My GoPro, I just have a little car jack charger, the headphones, 2 sets of headphones, a portable charger. This is a waterproof phone case for my phone. And then I have some sunglasses. And I know there's more I'm forgetting, but as I'm using most of my stuff still, I won't actually pack it all the way up until the morning of.